people, you don't know it's the voice of the Gryzzly bear. So CARDI and Offset there, you know, people. Yeah, man, me have to make you know them there in the country. You see me and say, yeah, they don't be on one of them side, they don't on one of them side, you know, the pretty water there and the white sand there. Yeah, you know that side of the country, watching will be one of them side there. Yeah. So them there, you know, people are all have vibes. You know what I mean? The couple look happy as usual. You know what I mean? They can see Offset, you know, a canoe in wife, you know. Them little canoe on the ocean, you see me and say, and you know what I mean, CARDI be a whole of joy, you see me and say, I blaze up on the highest something them from the island. Yes, you know, she and her husband just out there will have vibe, you see me and say, so you don't know Jamaica the place to be, no man, you see me and say, wedding, vacation, you see me and say, just to chill, you know what I mean, just to free your mind, you know. So yeah, the great CARDI be and Offset, the boy, I don't know what them have planned, I don't know what them are do, I don't know if I prepare them or prepare for Sunday. Cause you don't know, you know, Sunday and normal, you know, you see it. Yeah, so you don't know the people that fly in and check in for the events, them, you see me and say. And a whole heap of things are going on in the entertainment business from what they see it. I don't know if I through the festive season I come up and thing, make everything just get super festive, but me I tell you, the entertainment scene, festive, bad. But CARDI B, oh my gosh, girl, looking so fantabulous, you see me and say, yes, super. And remember, you know, we chat about the stream, 1,000 top. I don't know CARDI B then at the linings, you see me and say the number 81 spot. Is it? Yeah, man. So here one of people, if you bought them up, you know, you don't know, Instagram, pick them up, you see me and say, be love from the native island, Jamaica, make them know. So listen, it's a place one enough to stay away from and for come around here more regular, more often, is it? CARDI is a girl, I love her spirit, her energy, her energy good. I love how she take on to the culture. I love how she treat the people, you know what I mean? And then I'm observe her, she love the entertainment in terms of dancehall, you know, Jamaican dancehall. You see me and say, Offset! Yeah, them can't get you upset because your life look alright. You see me and say, you look happy. You don't know struggles and them things they might arise, but what? Man, stand up. You see me and say, condolences, you see me and say, you don't know me say condolences, you know me I talk about already because one of the famous members of the Migos dropped out a couple months ago. You see me I say, so we still have to resignate the work with the charge put in, you see me. Yeah man, and the time I'm spending around them warriors them because Migos them saying Migos mean friend, you know. You see me and say, yeah, friend to the end, you see it. Yeah, so Offset CARDI B, big up on yourself on the end of the island, go and full join yourself, go and absorb some sun, you know what I mean, the natural fresh air, the mountains. Yeah, the environment, the native people in Jamaica, you know, and just the vibes. You see me? Yeah, we're for bucking up one of them Uptown Monday, Bossy Tuesday, where one of them places there. You see me? I say some up my eye right now. So you don't know it's your boy Gryzzly bear vibes. People them there. Yeah, you hear that. So if you know like, subscribe as yet to this channel, it would be nice if you do that. You see me? I say, and click the notification bell over there so. You know, you can get the latest updates. Yeah. So you don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Bear and I'm out, you know. Reggae Vibes Media.